Hey y'all, I've never had a day here that I haven't had a good time, and today's no exception. We've had a great cookout today celebrating more awards from Ford, and we really appreciate that, and our owner, Mr. Brad Akins. Today we're talking about Ford Ranger Covert Action. I'm showing you guys some of the behind the scenes. Here's our home net where we do all our pricing and adjustments to our custom builds. So I'm doing my addendum at the window sticker. Right now I'm trying to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and call all those customers back. And do y'all bang? Does anybody else like to bang? Got the wire with this Yeti also. Got my muscle milk for post-workout. Got the wifey hanging. So we're about to go outside and actually review the Ranger. It's sitting right there. I'm just getting it all ready for you guys so we can hit the lot. Let's go. I like to put the finishing touches on our builds via test driving and then window sticker, badge, license plate, any subtleties that I think the vehicle may need. And I'm probably going to pull it over there in our open parking lot to do it. Showing you guys some of the behind the scenes info on what I got going on. About to go in the Willies showroom and see Nicole to get her to turn the ticket in so we can get closed out, get it repictured, get it detailed, and then it's going on the front pad out front. So a lot goes into doing this, and basically this thing will be sold in the next day or two, so we'll have to start this all over again. I've already got more parts ordered to start another one because we got it going on. Let's go. So taking this blue tag off and doing our tags we've been doing for a couple years now is a game changer, so let's get rid of that first. So we have Willies accessory checklist also that our shop manager takes care of. Everything you can think of, the technicians, supervisors that did it, and the sign-off sheet, double verification on all of our components to make sure that you're getting a true Willies custom. So obviously the 8-inch touchscreen is still legit. I love how the grid lines turn as you're moving. And with our lot looking pretty slim right now, nothing that we did wrong, y'all. Don't get it twisted. We are just waiting on microchips to arrive so we can get some vehicles. But I just want to do some donuts out here. Y'all want to see some donuts? Nah, just kidding. Wish I could, but out of respect for the new owner of this Covert edition, you know, we're going to keep it classy and simple and beautiful. Let's review. So y'all, actually a pretty impressive engine combo in the new Ford Ranger 2021 right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. A 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 270 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. You're probably thinking from the get-go, turbo 4 in the truck, come on guys. Well listen, it's pretty adequate. Fuel economy is actually pretty impressive too, and maybe with the 10-speed transmission, it's all that you really need out of this size vehicle. So what do you think about our Covert edition? I love this one. We did another one, I guess about a month ago, that sold like within 3 days. That's a recurring theme here, but this one here, we went a little bit taller on our lift selection, and I really do think it looks good. The black one that we did with this same lift, it looked like a Raptor Ranger to me, that had the BFG KM3s. The same lift is on this one, just for reference. So check out that video as well if you're interested in this lift and the size overall for your next Ranger, hopefully right here at Akins. So this is the FabTech 3.5-inch lift kit. You got Dirt Logic shocks in the rear. You got different upper control arms and components up front. Give you guys a good look at that. Very nice. It even comes with different front and rear crash bars, and that's a great setup because it gives you more room and more clearance to fit more wheel and tire combo. The iconic silver is iconic. It's just that. It's that more darker premium silver than the prior ingot silver. I really do like this one, so much so I ordered it on my upcoming Raptor, so stay tuned for that one, y'all. Wheel and tire combo 20x9, the Black Rhino Pinnacle. I saw this wheel right off the get-go and said, this is it. This is the one that's going to be perfect for this build. So plus 12 on the offset, and then 305, 55, 20 Toyo Open Country AT3, the all-terrain tire that we love. There's many more great all-terrain tires, but this one's tried and true. We just keep going back to that one, y'all. So on the offset, the plus 12, but with a 305 width, you're still in the mid-range. You're not as aggressive as we've done in the past, but this is still in the mid-level range on our mild to wild scale. So let me know what you think, and also doing the all-terrain tire definitely helps with not being quite as aggressive. I think it's a great balance and proportion for a truck for people of all ages, not just a young person's truck. It kind of fits many different segments. That's why we like doing this one for y'all. The Go Rhino Raptor style running board, this is a must. I like the way this looks. Definitely has that modern day Raptor style. It has a nice wide footprint, so you got good, stable and confident entry and exit. And definitely the underside protects your vehicle from rocks and debris going down the road, especially with the wider offset. You need some protection from your lower rocker getting scratched up. So that's why we like to use this running board, besides it just looking great. Up front, obviously, custom badges front and rear. Did the blue to iconic silver and the chrome to black. That's a must. That really buttoned up this truck. And you know, I guess initially I had on my mind of doing blue to black and leaving the chrome alone, but I just wanted to make it next level. So just doing that a little bit different in them combo, I definitely think elevated this one. As far as going down the road, you're gonna see this and be like, dang, that's a bad truck. So let me know what you guys think about this stance. Let's show you another good side shot. I love it. That's the perfect wheel. Perfect wheel. I like it because your simulated bolts or even like a gunmetal gray, so that really gives it a slight contrast, something you don't necessarily notice right off the get-go, but later you're like, man, even the wheel's a little bit different. In the back, really looks phenomenal. Got an Akins liner guaranteed for life as well. Another good shot of that stance from the rear. Just a beautiful truck. I love the overall size of this, going with the all-terrain tire. And we did a Hypertech speedometer calibrator on the inside, and things that I would say you could add. We could do WeatherTech floor mats also, but you definitely could do leather seats if you so chose to. You could do a bed cover as well, and you could get into more lighting. So there's a lot more that you could do to this. This is kind of our entry-level Covert package. And speaking of that, here's your window sticker, y'all. Stock number MLD 00959, available today as of June 14th, 2021. Pause to see all the options from the factory. And then coming over to our Covert edition package, everything I pretty much discussed, y'all. Got it sitting right here for you. $48,940 before discount. So just a great overall Covert package. Still could add more to the, you could add a lot more to this one, but we wanted to keep this in this sweet spot price point where you, the customer, could decide, do I want to add more things to it, or is it just perfect, legit, ready to roll? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Real deal, Willies at Akins. Thanks so much for watching. We got more Rangers coming to you. I've got a carbonized gray on the 2-inch Roush kit coming up here in the next day or two, and lots more. As always, Willies at Akins in Winder. Got to come see us, and thanks for watching. As always, peace.